Let's go, Madeline. Yes, it's another beautiful day. We've been given a great day by our ancestors in the spirit of nature, and we have come to study again. Let's go.
Divine law and restored divine balance. Through the rituals of our Africanite ancestral religion and developed just solutions to our dispute which were reflective of divine order. Throughout the process, we developed a greater appreciation for one another. We honored our ancestries and ancestors, the nature spirits. We worshiped the goddesses and gods. We served the great god and the great goddess.
Yes, pause. Onyame do unyame wa ye do unyame ye do unyame ye do omo nyame ye do mo nyame wa ye do mo nyankunton ye do mo nyankupon ye do mo. Oh, onyankopɔn ne nyankopɔn nyankonton ɔbɔ adeɛ twedi ampɔn ɔdoma nkuma ɔsa nana sa ne seti nana akua nana uku nana segment ɛne nana behudet bena behudet nana yaw ɛne asase ya asase afi ne asase afua nana menemene yɛdamase ensa yɛdamase ensa. Oh, yɛdamase sɛ mabie yɛni na moayɛka yɛn ho na mokyerɛkyerɛ yɛn yɛni agye ama naboro so yɛdamase nananom yɛdamase nananom yɛdamase nananom yɛdamase nananom yɛdamase yɛdamase ensa yɛdamase anɔpa yɛdamase awia yɛdamase anwummerɛ yɛdamase dasio ɛpo abena yɛdamase. I was thanking and praising the spirit of nature. Nana nu ne nana nu net yɛdamase. Nana ka ne nana kayet yɛdamase. Nana nut any geb yɛdamase. Nana shoe any tefnut yɛdamase. Nana ra any riot yɛdamase. The great rainbow serpent yɛdamase. Nana aten any atene wa yɛdamase. Nana dumankuma ne odumankuma wa yɛdamase. Nana ma any ma heart. Oh, ma ne ma heart. Amoya yɛdamase. Yɛdamase yo. Yɛdamase ensa. The great serpent. We are the children, we are the serpents of nature. Serpent wisdom. The serpent is the greatest animal in this realm. People don't know it. They think it's a hawk or eagle and all those things. The serpent is the most conscious, the most wisdom in the cosmos and on this realm. The sun, I told the people the sun is a serpent. The people were upset. Oh, the sun is not a serpent. Yes, we are serpent descendants. The sun is a serpent. It's part of the deity. And according to our cosmology, most of the deities are serpents and frogs, right, ma? My dear people, I am very happy that I have come to understand who I am, where I come from, and the spirit of nature, and understanding what and where we came from. That is why I worship. When I worship the deities and the spirit of nature, people always are like, well, we are gods. We're not supposed to worship nothing. We're supposed to be worshipped. I am a grateful being. I am so grateful. Whatever I ask, I am honored. Whatever, and I'm so I've been given much in my life. So I am a person of gratitude, and I can never stop being grateful to our ancestors and the spirit of nature. I won't. Whether I am a goddess and not supposed to worship or not, my gratitude will always come as worship. I'll worship the sun. I'll worship the moon. I'll sing to them. I'll sing to the air. I'll sing to my ancestors. I'll praise them. Because I feel joy to do that. Not because somebody have pressured me, but because I feel so grateful to do it. My dear people, I can't wait to put up my shrine and I'll offer my ancestors fruits and in bringing in the spirit of nature and giving them a permanent resident in my place, wherever I reside. The reason why I haven't put up the shrine is I'm going through the phases. I want to understand who I am. I have to understand more of the deities. I have to understand the spirit of nature so that we know the do's and the don'ts. And secondly, we are aligning ourselves to be in alignment with the cosmos or the cosmic and the deities of nature. We are harmonizing our spirit with them. And by doing that, you are cleaning all yourself. You are bringing yourself to order. You don't lie, you don't cheat, you don't tell lies, you don't eat any bad things, you don't drink yourself to death, you don't do anything that is not honor to your body. And all these things, because everything I do, I am doing it with my children. So I have to give them also the time to adjust to what we are going through, So I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to bring another one for us to follow. Okay? Talk to you soon.